Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I'm back, guys, on behalf of Power Lead System, just giving you a quick update. First and foremost, I want to say go ahead and subscribe. Click the subscribe button below so that you can receive my updates on videos, new videos I upload. You'll already be on my subscriber list. Okay. Now, just want to touch bases with you on Power Lead System. Power Lead System, guys, if you haven't seen this before, is a marketing system that's been around about 5 years now. Okay, it's the Power Lead System. It has capture pages, funnels that's already set up for you, sales funnels, pages you can edit, you can modify, or you can just simply plug into what's already created and go. There's also training included in this marketing system. You can purchase your domain in this system. Everything is already under one roof for you. Okay, not to mention we have a Facebook group that's already set up and established, the company's Facebook group, and then I'm a part of another team of entrepreneurs where there's a Facebook group, and once you join, you can be a part of that Facebook group as well. Or you can just take a look around now and just see, you'll see people with having much success with this program. But I want to first just say, because I've been getting a lot of calls about the program, of course, because it's a great program. It's great for a newbie or an advanced person. But I'm getting a lot of calls because people are looking at the results. They're looking at these, pictures, videos, and things, and they think they can, buy traffic one day and they should get all these, sign-ups. Guys, the first thing you want to do is just get your mindset into this is lead generation. Okay, I don't care what business you have, or if you don't have a business, you must have leads. Okay, this is something I've learned, after I got started online. I didn't realize that as well back in 2011, but that's what it's all about, guys. You must generate leads. So the first thing for me with this is, guess what? I'm going to use this system to build another list. I already have a few lists, but this is going to give me another whole group of people that don't know me. They're cold traffic, people that have no clue what this is, never spoke to me or any of that. So I'm building a whole new list. And guess what? I can actually market to this group of people, this new list, all my opportunities if I so choose to. Okay? So if you have a business opportunity that you have and you hadn't been able to kind of get it going, don't have any leads, anyone to look at your system, this is a great way to start. Right here, start capturing these leads, the names, emails, and phone numbers of these people, and present to them your opportunity. But what's so great about Power Lead System, you can market another business and Power Lead System at the same time. Okay, because that's what I'm doing. I'm actually marketing Power Lead System itself, and then on the back end, I'm promoting one of my other opportunities, Easy Profit 100, my postcard program. Okay, so the point is that I'm making is focus on generating leads and then let the system take over from there. Okay, you're focusing too much on I don't see the $100 coming in. I'm a diamond. I'm a platinum. They're not coming in fast enough. You're building a business, guys. Okay, you got to build a foundation first. And you build upon that as you go. You have to trust the process. It's just inevitable, okay? There's no guarantees, okay? But it's inevitable. The law of averages, you keep doing something over and over, it's bound to get the results you're looking for. But you have to remain consistent, okay? So that's the key. So focus on building, getting names, getting emails. That's what you need to do. And remember, when they opt in, the Power Lead System is going to send them an email promoting the Power Lead System. And then if you put a link down here, which is what I did, okay, if you put another link right here in referral B, it's promoting that for you as well. So it's promoting Power Lead System and your primary business. So it's going to send emails on your behalf, okay? And then you have the power as well to go in and send a broadcast email to all your lists. Everybody that's on your list in your back office, you can literally go in there and send them an email and promote whatever you want to promote them to them, okay? So focus on building, okay? I've only been in it a short time, and I've been able to, and I'm just going to show you real quick, because everybody, you're losing focus. I want everybody to focus. I've had like 3 calls today where people were panicking. Hey, I sent traffic, or I bought traffic, or nothing's happening. You know, you've got to focus on building, okay? Getting the leads in the system, in the funnel, going through the process. You've got to trust the process. That's what it's all about. Okay, so let me show you real quick. I'm just going to give a glance because I don't want to show everybody's information. But right here, guys, 907. You see that? That's what I've been able to accumulate in this short period of time. I have 907 people in my funnel. So I'm just building. My job and your job is to just keep sending traffic that way, sending visitors. And that 907, before I know it, is going to be over 2,000, you know. Okay, so the more people you put in that funnel to see the opportunity, the greater chances you're getting your sign-ups, okay, and people to upgrade. So focus on building, 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 okay, not so much as the end result on the money part of it. The money will come, okay. So just want to tell you that first, all right? But this is a great program. I have a traffic campaign running right now as we speak. I'm just going to flip over to my email so you can see. Today is Monday. I'm just going to hold that, as you can see right there, Monday, February 19th. I have 2 gold members that joined. Look at the time of that, 5:35. I wasn't up. I don't know about you. But 2 gold members came in. Okay. And then here was another gold on February 18th. So it comes in, guys. Look at all these opt-ins that I have. Okay. Look at that. They're just coming in. 17. See, these are leads. You have to look at the big picture. These are leads that's coming in looking at your offer, okay? So you need to focus on that, not so much as I haven't got a sign up yet, because remember, you're just building. Build upon your foundation, okay? And the foundation is getting the leads in, okay? So that is the main point, is what I want to point out. Now, we have lots of training in here, guys. This one right here, the free ad secrets, diamond level, social profit, platinum level. So you want to come in, spend $53.97. You can take the trial. Click the link below, take the trial if you like. But spend $53.97, become a gold member. That gives you access to $20 a month residual on everybody that comes in as a gold member. But I highly recommend go ahead and upgrade. Become a diamond, become a platinum if possible. I mean, if you come all in, you don't leave any money on the table. But a diamond level is a one-time $147. You purchasing that product that I just showed you, a training course, and then you're going to be able to make $100 commissions off everybody that comes in as a diamond under you. Okay, then if you also go ahead and become a platinum member, it's $497 one time. And you'll be able to make $400 commissions, okay? And remember, your team, as you build, your team is helping you. That's what I like about it. It's a team effort. You know, you get pass-ups that just keep coming to you. You're going to be able to get the same thing, okay? So I highly recommend come all in. But you definitely want to jump in, be a gold member, get the $20 residuals. You get the 50% matching bonus. So everybody that comes in as a gold member, you're going to receive 50% matching bonus. So if you had, let's say, a person that came in, I'm just going to give you an example, as a gold member under you, and they made $1,000 one month, you're going to make 500. Okay? Whatever they make, you're going to make half. If they make 2,000, you're going to make 1,000. That's just extra, guys. That's just gravy. 50% matching bonus. I haven't seen that, in this business, this business model like this one. Okay? So, your job is to get people to your website. Once you get them there and they put in the information, the system basically takes over. Here's one of the pages I put together as well. Let me show you here if it will come up. It's a little slow. Hold on one second. Okay, here we go. So, just this simple, guys. As you can see, all it's asking for is an email. Yes, and we know some people will just put in any information so that they can see what's behind this page. We get that. No worries. Because remember, you're building. You get more leads. We're not worrying about that. Because the people that's serious, they're going to see the video and they're going to take action. They're going to go back and they're going to join and they're going to put their right email in and their name. But what I like about this is I don't get a lot of tire kickers. Okay? I don't get people that's just curious. I don't get calls. You would think I would just be getting calls and calls and calls. People go in, they see the presentation, either they're in or they're out. Believe it or not. Because I thought I would get a lot of calls on this program. But no, these people are just either signing up or they're not. And if they're not, there's no worries. Because what will happen is if they remain on the list, if that's the right email, the system is emailing them on your behalf. So if they're serious, they will take action. But every person that has joined me, other than the people that I know, all these other people that I'm sending traffic to the site, I've never spoken to them. They never picked up the phone and called. They actually just joined. Don't know them at all. Okay? Now, what I'm also doing, and the team recommends, we're all doing the same thing, is what you need to do once you get these people in your funnel is you'll go here and you're going to send out, okay, a campaign. On Wednesdays, we have a overview of the program where you can invite prospects to check it out, and they get an overview of the Power Lead system and what it's all about. On Thursdays, we actually have training. Okay, we actually have training. If you're already in the business, we have training on how to scale up your business with Power Lead system. And then, of course, on Sunday, I'm a part of the Freedom Takers. On Sunday, we have a hangout just to show some results of what average people are getting results from this program. So you go here, guys. This is what I do on Wednesday. I do it a little more, but I'm just telling you how simple it is. You're going to go back here on Wednesday, right? Let me just show you. On Wednesday, what I do is I go back here. Okay, I'm going too far because I've added some stuff in here too. You go right here on Wednesday, and right here it says broadcast hangout to your list. I click that and I go down. I'm not going to show down here because it's a lot of names, but I go down there and I click submit, and everybody that's on my list, it's going to send them an email that we have a hangout that's coming up. Okay? We have a hangout that's coming up, and that's it. I invite people on Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I just send that email. It's already set up for you. You don't have to create anything. It's already ready to go. Just plug and play, guys. Invite your list because they've already opted into your funnel. Just send them those emails. It's already ready for them. And that's it. And let the system do the work. Your job is just to keep sending traffic. Keep sending traffic over and over and over, week after week after week. Okay, whatever your budget allows. I recommend weekly. I mean, if you can only do it every 2 weeks, do that. But it needs to be consistent so you can keep that pipeline flowing. Okay? All right. So then let me show you this real quick. This is the official company Facebook group. Okay. So as you can see, people are having success and they're showing their results just to show you this works. And it does work. Because like I said, that's 900 people that I have accumulated. Strangers that don't know me, never seen a video, any of that. And you can see I just posted that this morning. New member about an hour ago in the group. And there's been some likes on that. But as you can see, this is what I'm saying. Everybody is posting in here, whether it's a question or what have you. I think it's about 14,000 members in this group. So once you join, you just click this from your back office. Okay. Let's flip over here. You come down, and right here you click right here. And it takes you right to that Facebook group, and you just join. Okay. And then you go here. If you have a primary business, go ahead and put your link right there. The Power Lead System link is already included. Hit submit, and there you have it. Okay, so now you're marketing Power Lead and you're marketing your primary business. And if you don't have a primary business, that's fine. Just simply market Power Lead System. Okay, because it's basically a business in a box. Okay, it's a business in a box. So everything is already set up and ready to go for you. The autoresponder emails are in there. The follow-up emails are there. The pages are there. Okay, all we need you to do is join and plug in. Join this group in the back office, and then contact me. I'll add you to our other Facebook group, and you have everything you need, guys. Both groups are very active, so if you ask a question, you will constantly you will get a response, but you will constantly see activity of people communicating back and forth, okay, in the group. So you're in business for yourself, but you won't be by yourself. All right, so that's all I've got for you today. Just want to come to you with the Power Lead System, but I want you guys to focus on lead generation and not on the results. The results will come if you do the work. Okay, thanks for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.